Welcome back to my channel, where we dive deep into exciting topics that are shaping the world as we know it. Today, we're going to tackle a subject that has been making waves in the financial industry: cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of this digital revolution, from understanding the technology behind it to its potential impact on our everyday lives. Get ready to uncover the future of money. Short 1. Introduction. Hey, what's up everyone? It's great to have you here. Have you ever wondered what cryptocurrency is all about? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll break it down for you and give you a comprehensive overview of everything you need to know. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Short 2. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. But what exactly does that mean? Think of it as digital money that's based on an advanced mathematical code. It operates on a decentralized network, which means no single entity or government controls it. That's right, it's completely peer-to-peer. Short 3. The birth of Bitcoin. Now, let's take a trip back in time to the birth of cryptocurrency. In 2009, an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto introduced the world to Bitcoin, the very first cryptocurrency. Bitcoin was a game changer that paved the way for a whole new era of digital currencies. Its innovative blockchain technology, which acts as a public ledger, ensures transparency and tamper-proof transactions. Short 4. How does cryptocurrency work? You're probably wondering how cryptocurrency actually works. Well, let me explain it in simple terms. Cryptocurrencies utilize blockchain technology, which is a decentralized and distributed ledger that keeps a record of every transaction made. Each transaction is verified by a network of computers, known as miners, who solve complex mathematical problems. Once verified, the transaction is added to a block and added to the blockchain. This process is what ensures the security and integrity of the system. Short 5. Types of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin may have been the pioneer, but it's just the tip of the iceberg. There are now thousands of different cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique features and purposes. Some popular ones include Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and many more. These cryptocurrencies offer various functionalities, from smart contracts to faster transaction times. The world of digital money is expanding rapidly. Short 6. Benefits of cryptocurrency. What makes cryptocurrency so appealing? Well, let me tell you. Cryptocurrencies offer several advantages over traditional forms of money. Firstly, they eliminate the need for intermediaries, such as banks, reducing transaction costs and increasing efficiency. Secondly, they provide greater financial privacy and security, thanks to cryptography. Lastly, cryptocurrencies have the potential to revolutionize the global economy, making financial services accessible to the unbanked population. Short 7. Risks and challenges. Of course, with every new technology, there are risks and challenges to consider. Cryptocurrencies are no exception. Volatility is a major concern, as the value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate wildly. Security breaches and hacking incidents also pose a threat to the industry. Additionally, the regulatory landscape is still evolving, and governments around the world are grappling with how to best integrate cryptocurrencies into existing financial systems. Short 8. Cryptocurrency in everyday life. Cryptocurrencies are no longer just a niche concept reserved for tech-savvy individuals. They are gradually becoming a part of our everyday lives. From online shopping to investing, more and more businesses and individuals are embracing digital currencies. Major companies like Microsoft and PayPal now accept cryptocurrency as a form of payment, and even some countries are exploring the idea of launching their own national digital currencies. The future is here. Short 9. Conclusion. And that's it for today's video on cryptocurrency. I hope you found this guide informative and that it sparked your curiosity about the potential of digital money. Remember to do your own research and stay informed as this industry continues to evolve. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an exciting topic like this one. Until next time, stay curious, stay ahead, and keep exploring.